Hi everyone, and welcome to 321 Park Boulevard East in Ozark, Missouri. This is the 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3-car garage basement home on an 1.5 acres that you've been waiting to hit the market. I'm Stella Chamberlain with Chamberlain Realtors and Murney Associates Realtors. Let's take a closer look. The home sits in the center of its nearly 1.5 acres and has 2 very large decks, both front and back, and both are newly stained. This functional split entry floor plan boasts lots of upgrades, including granite countertops in the kitchen and vinyl plank flooring. Cooking in this home is a dream, with stainless steel appliances, including a brand new dishwasher and a refrigerator that stays with the home. Serve quick meals on the breakfast bar, opening up to a large dining area. Enjoy the convenience of a gorgeous sunroom located just off the dining area, which makes a great space for either an office, workout area, or playroom. The eye-catching focal point is this gorgeous wood-burning fireplace, with its floor-to-ceiling brick surround and built-in firewood storage. There's an easy-to-traverse, semicircular driveway to park those larger vehicles. The next owners will enjoy a brand new roof. It's only months old. Take a break in the finished she shed or man cave to work on projects, watch a movie, read, or just plain relax. Thank you for joining me on a walkthrough of 321 Park Boulevard East in Ozark, Missouri. My name is Stella Chamberlain with Chamberlain Realtors at Murney Associates Realtors. Should you have any questions or you'd like a showing, please feel free to reach out anytime. Have a great day.